He's coming. Yeah, you thought you were ever gonna see those adult snappers. Well, guess what? They returned.
I need to check on Kalis. You good?
Go away.
It wasn't me. It was Max.
Those are snappers. Sorry, Kalis.
It's okay.
Sorry.
I forgive you.
Do you remember that from a few episodes back? I was like, can I buy some snappers? Like the little, like, you know, you play the snappers on 4th of July? Like, you come on the ground? She's like, yeah. She doesn't look very amused.
You have to, Mary Catherine does have to back me up. I go, is Kalis in the office?
No.
And she goes, yes, and I go, oh no. You might want to warn her.
That's accurate.
Snap, crackle, pop. Scared Kalis.
Nice smashing.
All right, so today we're at Flint Energies working on a machine for one of our wholesale OCS partners. So service is a big name of the game for us. Whenever a partner calls, says there's an issue with the machine, issue with products, we're there. So today we're gonna give you a little behind the scenes of what we're working on here at Flint Energies. Again, one of our larger partners here off of Carl Vincent. They have a couple of locations. We got about 10 machines installed for them. So we're gonna work on one of them, get it swapped out. It was having some issues, and so no questions asked, we'll come and take care of it. So come with us. Look forward to the journey. All right, because that machine right now only doesn't have any. So
There's going to be a 1/4-inch flare to a
1/4-inch female flare.
1/4-inch flare.
You just want to attach it straight.
Yeah.
Just go straight with using this little.
Yeah.
I'm just not prepared.
That's right. But looking for you got Mr. Bob.
What they say when you learn from the best.
I don't know about the best, but
Jeez. How are you supposed to take that and run with it?
I don't try to bend that copper anyway.
No, sir.
But I have a straight one at that one on the angle.
All right, count down, please.
No, just turn the water.
Oh, okay. Oh boy. Leak on aisle 9. Leak on aisle 9.
Where's the leaking from?
I might have to let you get in here. Master P.
I mean, it was.
Master Plumber. All right, then you cut it on.
No.
Cut it on there and blow a hole right in the bottom.
Let me see what we got. There you go.
Oh, you fixed it right on up.
It's like one of those things when you're young and you're like, hey, Dad, like, you know, this is causing me problems. And then he comes in, like, looks at it, and there's nothing.
Or you take your car to have something fixed, but it won't do it for the mechanic.
Yeah.
All right, well, look, I told you not to bend that thing.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did. It was on a 90 when I handed it to you.
No.
Yes, it was. We'll go back to the beginning.
Replay it again. He's wrong twice.
Don't do this. Don't even watch me do this, okay? Because if you try it.
I'll get that thing right.
All right. That's the issue. That's why I handed it to you when it was bent on a 90. Like this was bent like this. And I don't care what you say, I saw you bending it.
Replay 3 times wrong.
I'm bending it, but I'm scared it's gonna kink it. We need that other. Find that video all you want, I guarantee you. It was a 90 when I handed it to you.
Oh boy, I can't wait for that to play back.
Okay, we got it.
There we go.
Yeah, it's good.
Good job, Master P.
2 hours later.
I need my tools.
Here. How about that?
Can't operate without my tools, you know. I got glove.
Precision. be right back. Okay. Yeah. Good.
Got anything to say to people?
Live, laugh, love, coffee.
Nice. Don't get scared.
Part 2. No, basically what was happening is water runs over this where the ice gets formed. The problem was the inlet water valve wasn't, the solenoid went bad on it. And so it would just keep pumping more and more water into that cycle, and it would like just overflow the water catch trough. This is the one that came off of the machine, right? Go and order a new piece for it. This is the one that came with it. Same construction, but different. And the problem is that this model didn't work because, as you can see, it's wider than the base of this one, and so the motor would just, or the solenoid would hit the motor that's sitting inside that machine, so I couldn't like install it. New one came in, opened the box, and it was the same one as that one. And so, order another piece. Boom, this one came in, but the new version. And so far so good. Fingers crossed. It's looking better. Still in the freeze cycle, but
How long have you been here?
Today only about 30 minutes or so.
That's
Yeah.
not bad.
The other day like an hour and a half.
That work?
Whoa! Ice, baby.
Ice, baby.
What's going on?
Perfect. That's it for now. Some more Robins, all that stuff is in. Just those black bags in the bag.
Yeah.
And then just the croissants are in that freezer. And you can give me a shout too, just to double check things. We're looking good. That would have been cool.
What are you doing? I gotta get his ass out. Okay. There's a Sergeant Carter. He don't play.
Sergeant Carter.
Sir, yes, sir.
Just kind of wipe out any easy water and debris. What we're gonna do is run a bunch of cleaner through it to clean the inside tank part here. It's a little white vinegar. It's real good for cleaning a lot of coffee machines. We're just gonna let that sit. We're gonna let that sit for a little bit. Let the acidity of the vinegar start breaking down all the components and seeping into the cracks. So we're preparing for our new dry goods shipment coming in. So I got to clean up the current stock, organize some pallets around. We have a full 45-foot container worth of goods. And so I'm gonna organize the rest of the facility here. So some new partners that just got on board. They got a bunch of their cups, bags, things like that coming in. When everything's not organized, we got 500 boxes coming in. Normally everything's always in its current position, and then we have to rearrange while we're trying to put another 30 pallets worth of product. So right now I'm just trying to get like the cups and the lids, everything coming in. Got about another 40,000 of all the different cups. It's currently heating right now, and once that starts heating, it'll work through all the mechanisms, kind of clean it out, descale everything of any grime. Over this a couple times. I'll show you inside. It's not the clearest, which is what we want. That's what you want.
Means it's working.
You got some spectacles in there.
Ready to rumble.
Now we go home. Just kidding.